Stop me if you've heard this one. An Irish guy walks into a bar and orders a cocktail. Sounds like the start of a bad joke, huh?
Hi, chai, chai. Intro.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Joey.
And it's your boy Kareem.
And in honor of St. Patty's Day, we're revisiting a Brew Broz classic episode.
So, we're swapping out bourbon for a more Emerald Isle favorite.
So today, we're making a Guinness Old Fashioned.
With whiskey.
So for the base, we're going to use Bushmills Irish whiskey.
One of my favorites.
The sweetener, we're going Demerara Syrup.
We're going to do also some chocolate bitters.
And last but not least, what is our secret weapon?
Some Guinness.
Let's get started with today's cocktail. So we're going to be building our cocktail. And I decided that both of us are going to be here while we build this cocktail.
Build it in the glass.
So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get our cups right here. And some ice. Now, Old Fashioned is usually built inside of a mixing glass. But unfortunately, in one of the parties I was bartending at, I accidentally broke it. So I'm just going to do it inside of our regular strainer glass. Shaker, Boston, whatever.
Joey's done it again.
Why Britney Spears?
I don't know. It came to mind.
All right. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our chocolate bitters. Right here. And we're going to do 3 dashes per cocktail. So 6 for the both of us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to clean that up right now because it's spilled everywhere.
And some for the table.
You like Kareem? I'm going to give it to Kareem for him to build. Next, our Demerara syrup.
All right.
Carrying 2 bar spoons of the Demerara
syrup. All right. 2 bar spoons. 1. Okay.
Okay. We'll save this right here because we're going to use that in a little bit. Demeraras.
Next is going to be our fave, or my fave, Bushmills Black Bush.
I'm usually a fan of Red Bush. But Black Bush works also. So this is a brand new bottle. You can see we're going to take the liquor panties off. And for this, we are going to do... All right, let me smell it first because... Oh, I feel like it has notes of banana. That's weird.
Yes, it does.
Right? That's weird.
Keep a lookout. Maybe we'll do a review on the Bushmills Black Bush.
We're going to do 3 ounces of the Black Bush. I'm going to sit here and just watch Kareem. This part will be sped up. Don't worry about it.
Yeah. Sorry, table. None for you.
And
the star of the show.
Our secret recipe. Guinness.
Is it a secret?
No, not really. There's like something clacking in there. What did they put a marble in here, or what's in there?
It's the CO2 ball.
Oh, that gets released when you crack it open, right?
Yeah.
All right. We're gonna do 1 ounce each of the Guinness Stout. Look at that. Look at that head. That I'm assuming is a CO2 ball. So maybe it's pressurized, and when you crack it open, it releases the air. Like, I don't know how that works.
There is a way to actually open it up without cracking the CO2.
Really?
Maybe, yeah.
He's going to have to do that. I ain't doing that.
So what is that? 1
ounce each. So 2 ounces. Because based on my track record, if I tried opening that, it's going to be everywhere.
One.
Hey, the creaminess in that pour. And now we're going to add some ice to the shaker. We just need enough to agitate the drink. So we're going to mix it all up with the spoon right here. Got to make sure that you mix it enough so that the bottom syrup it gets mixed in thoroughly well. So this just sit there.
Yeah. Doesn't stay on the bottom and not in your drink. Okay.
Okay. Let me get that bad boy over here.
There you go.
Take your strainer and pour that out. Now, if it was me, this table would be getting drunk. Look at that color.
All right.
So now we have our cocktail here, right? And it kind of looks like a Coke.
Yeah.
Right? It has a color of a Coke.
So, let's see what it smells like.
Ooh. Sniff test.
Smells like soda.
It really does smell like soda. Almost like, you know when all the gas is out of the Coke and it's just kind of like a little flat?
Yeah.
So it smells like a flat soda. Taste test. Cheers. A drink of the Irish it is.
Hi, chai.
Interesting.
I would like more Guinness flavor.
So should we add just another ounce of Guinness to the drink?
Yeah, let's try.
That's right. Why not?
Just try it on top.
Oh, there you go. Table 8. Ding, ding, ding.
Okay.
Round 2. Now it sort of tastes like a little bit of a flat soda.
Yeah.
Right?
I don't hate it.
You know what? I don't hate it either, but it's not like our very first episode that we made.
No, it's not.
For some reason, that was like magical.
Yeah.
Right? I don't know what we did differently. Using the same ingredients, other than we're using Blackbush this time. Maybe that's what it is.
Well, also, I believe we made our own Demerara syrup.
I think you're right. We did make a homemade one there, but it's got to be just more than just the syrup. You know, I have a feeling that the whiskey plays a big part of it.
But this whiskey is good.
It is. Would I say this is my favorite? No. That first episode we made, though, that one's got to be my favorite.
Yeah, it had more body to it.
Yeah, more flavor.
Yeah.
This sort of feels like a watered down version, almost. So make sure you look at that video. It was one of our early Brew Broz episodes.
Yes.
And it's horrible.
The video quality is terrible.
It's so bad.
But the drink was good.
Yeah, it was so good. That really was a bad episode.
Yeah.
And I looked at it, that editing is horrible. If there's one part where we switched and the background stayed the same. So, for our remix of a Guinness Old Fashioned, Kareem, what do you score this one?
I forgot. Do you by any chance remember what we gave it on the original? It's lower than that.
Absolutely not. I don't remember what was the score that we gave it. I can revisit it real quick just to see. Stay tuned.
Yeah. upon further review, in the original, we gave it a 4.
Mm-hmm.
So with being that, this, I'm gonna have to actually deduct a big number from this.
Oh, okay.
Let me give it a 3.
Ooh, a 3. Less than our previous video.
Yeah.
So let us know down in the comments down below if you tried any of this or what your version of a Guinness Old Fashioned is.
Okay, so, you know, Joey, we can't go out like that.
Nope.
So, what we did, we went back to the lab. We fixed it.
Yes, we did. So this is the updated version of our Guinness Old Fashioned.
Give them a breakdown.
So, very simple. I'm not going to remake the drink in front of you. I'm going to tell you what to do. Okay?
We're going to make the alterations, you know, in somewhere in there. Or give the list.
Yeah. Maybe while I'm talking in the other video. Yeah, we'll figure it out. But anyway.
Yes.
So, the recipe stays the same. You still need 3 dashes of the chocolate bitters, 1 bar spoon of the Demerara syrup, 2 ounces of the Bushmill, right?
Before it was 1.5.
Yeah, it was 1.5. So making it for one person, use 1 ounce. Okay, we're making it for 2 people. So for one person, okay, 3 dashes of the chocolate bitters, 1 bar spoon Demerara syrup, 1 ounce of the Bushmills, and 1 ounce of the Guinness. But this time, after we cracked it open, we let it sit.
Yes.
We let the CO2 kind of dissipate. That's the mistake we made for the first one. We kind of cracked it open and just poured. So it had a lot of the head in there.
So we didn't get a lot of the actual Guinness, making it a little more watery.
Yeah. So, but now we're letting it sit, re-pouring all the ingredients together. Now we got more of a flavor.
More of the Guinness.
So now we're going to rescore this bad boy. Kareem, what do you score the remix of the Old Fashioned?
Now, this is way better. Is it as close as I remember it?
No.
No.
Not to me, no. No.
That could be a couple of factors that we might also do on a redo. But it is much closer. So I'm going to rescore it at a 3.7.
Ooh, better than the previous score of 3.
Yes.
Stop there.
But that other one totally deserved the 3.
Yeah, it really did.
Now back to the other video.
Cut.
Maybe we'll try it out.
Maybe we try to make this with Guinness syrup.
Yeah. So look out for Redo Part 2. Or a Redo series.
So leave a comment down below. Check out our other channels if you haven't yet. We have an anime channel called Brewz Anime Reviews.
We have a conspiracy channel, Brew Broz Conspiracies.
Those links are down below as well.
Also, hit the notification bell. Get notified on our next video. We have a couple of videos that we have lined up that will be kind of exciting.
So make sure you like, share, comment,
and subscribe.
And stay tuned for our next episode.
And on that note,
peace out, everybody.
Stay fly. Yeah, this
disappointing.
Yeah, very
disappointing. Yeah,
like
yeah, fall short.
Oh,
like a leprechaun. And in honor of St. Patrick's Day, damn.
This is all right. You can build it here. I'll say it here.
We got this down packed.
Oh.